Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is the Cartoon Man 13 here, and welcome to episode 51 of Trailer Reactions, in which this time I'm going to react to 5 trailers, and they are the Neighbors 2 Red Band trailer, the BFG trailer, the Swiss Army Man trailer, the Rogue One sneak peek, which is the new Star Wars spin-off movie. Yeah, I'm going to react to the Rogue One sneak peek and the official teaser. You know what? I'm going to start things off with the Neighbors 2 Restricted Red Band trailer. Yeah, the Neighbors 2 Restricted trailer. So yeah, episode 51 of Trailer Reactions. And we're going to start things off with the restricted trailer for Neighbors 2. I actually liked the first Neighbors. Maybe this one will be really good, so yeah, this is my reaction to the Red Band trailer for Neighbors 2. Anyways, I'm gonna push, this isn't the Red Band trailer for Neighbors 2. I know. A minute and a half, get to it. Anyways, pressing play, 3, 2, 1, and pressing play.
Oh, God.
Do you want to put a pillow over your mouth?
You like choking or something?
What?
Is it like a new sexy thing?
No, it's still when I wake up.
Oh, no, I'll just be quiet. Oh.
Starts off with them having sex.
So you're not freaking out about having a second kid? Sweetie, how do you keep finding mommy dildo? We really got together some dolls. Does Miss Pinky want some tea? Get your hands in the air. We go the house.
We didn't really sell yet. Been 30 days. If everything goes well, you close. Assuming another fraternity doesn't move in next door, you're going to be fine.
What the fuck is going on over there? Hi, we're your neighbors.
Welcome to our sorority. I can't believe the fucking sorority moved next door. I can't even talk to those girls.
Madam. What? Madam.
Hmm?
Madam. Maybe it's not that bad. Girls are usually quiet. They don't really take hard drugs. And they're much smarter.
She gives out the middle finger while busting through the window.
The guys could go by at any moment and see the 20 psychopathic teenagers next door. We need somebody who can relate to stupid young people. Let's shut this shit down. That's right. I'm switching sides. Nice. That's awesome. If we steal their stash, they won't be able to pay the rent. What's the plan? I'm gonna dance. Just you dancing is enough to distract the entire sorority? You want me to go up with you?
They're trying to dismantle our sorority. You know what kids listen to?
Celebrities.
Parents. You called our parents? Dad,
What is this? What happened to my little girl?
it's really not a big deal.
This is a very big deal.
It's on.
No.
Nothing's on. You turn it on.
Someone help me!
But we'll turn it off.
We turn it on, we can turn it off. Get away from me!
Get out of here!
This isn't working! I'm only making them sexier!
It's a little hard to call the cops without a phone.
Give us that back!
No!
Oh,
What the fuck?
it's called a court, dumbass!
Fucking old people's phone! Game over, motherfuckers!
You gotta get out of here! That's our way out. The blast from this airbag will propel you straight through that vent. Time to save my family. It works!
Neighbors 2 Sorority Rising. It looks alright. I don't think it'll be as good as the first Neighbors, but it'll still be a good sequel. The next trailer that I'll react to is for the BFG trailer. And, yeah. I have it set up right here. the BFG official trailer. And yeah, actually, from what I saw of the teaser, excuse me, just had some Taco Bell. Anyways, I saw the teaser trailer for the BFG and I thought the film looked really cool. Can't wait to see this official trailer to show more footage from it. Anyways, my reaction to the BFG trailer, new Disney film coming out soon. This is my reaction to the BFG trailer. 3, 2, 1, and pressing play. Big Ben is in the Disney castle. And the Amblin logo as well.
It's a witching hour when the boogeyman comes out. The girls say the witching hour arrives at midnight. I think it comes at 3 in the morning, when I'm the only one left awake. Like now.
There's the giant. Yep, Steven Spielberg and Disney doing a movie. Roald Dahl, the original author of the book.
Where am I?
Joy Country.
When I turn down a bit, it's a bit too, loud.
Why did you take me?
Because I hears your lonely heart. I hear all the secret whisperings of the world.
And the
Run, Sophie, hide. Does you have a little pet?
July 1st. Anyways, well, it looks really good. Anyways, next trailer that I'll react to is the Swiss Army Man trailer. And, there it is right there, the official Swiss Army Man trailer. Yeah, the Swiss Army Man trailer. Anyways, this is my reaction to the Swiss Army Man trailer. And yeah, I'm gonna push play in 3, 2, 1, and pressing play. Oh, a person wants to hang himself.
I need you to help me get home. Okay, buddy?
Okay, buddy.
Hmm.
They're a miracle. Our animals hallucinating from starvation.
Oh.
You're special. You're special. There's 7 billion people on the planet. You might be lucky enough to bump into the one person you want to spend the rest of your life with.
Oh, that looks pretty interesting. Spectacular vision, unlike anything you've ever seen. Why sweet and holy and neat. All these critic reviews. Swiss Army Man, there you go. A film by Daniels. And last but not least, Rogue One, a Star Wars story. Oh, there's the teaser preview. And then there's the teaser trailer. I'll react to the teaser preview first. Yeah. This is, yeah, again, last but not least, Rogue One, a Star Wars story. I'm going to react to the teaser preview, which you see right here first. And then I'll react to the official teaser trailer. I really had fun with Star Wars The Force Awakens. I saw it 3 times. Once in IMAX and the other 2 in regular theaters. And yeah, Rogue One, a Star Wars story looks interesting. Anyways, this is my reaction to the teaser preview for Rogue One, a Star Wars story. Even though it's only a 10-second preview, I'm going to press play in 3, 2, 1, and pressing play. Oh. Only show that bit of footage. Now I'm going to see the official teaser trailer. And I do have it up right here. The official teaser trailer for Rogue One, a Star Wars story. And yeah, it's less than 2 minutes. I should be able to watch it all. And yeah. Anyways, this is my reaction to the official teaser trailer for Rogue One, a Star Wars story. Anyways, I'm going to press play in 3, 2, 1, and pressing, excuse me, play.
State your name for the record.
Jen Arso.
Forgery of imperial documents, possession of stolen property, aggravated assault, resisting arrest.
On your own,
An
age
outlaw.
15. Reckless, aggressive, and undisciplined. This is a rebellion, isn't it?
Oh,
I rebel. We have a mission for you. A major weapons test is imminent. We need to know what it is and how to destroy it.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
this December.
What will you do when they catch you? What will you do if they break you? If you continue to fight, what will you become?
Rogue One, a Star Wars story. Star Wars story.
So, Mark, this past year has been an amazing one for Star Wars.
Oh,
Not only did the fans help to make The
that
Force
was really
Awakens a global
nice.
success, they've also helped to raise over $10 million on behalf of Star Wars Force for Change today. Mark's here to tell us what's happening.
Well, apparently he isn't, because the video just cut right there, but Rogue One, a Star Wars story, looks really awesome. Rogue One, a Star Wars story looks awesome. Neighbors 2 looks alright. I don't think it'll be as good as the first one. The BFG and Swiss Army Man actually look really good. And yeah, that's going to do it for episode 51 of Trailer Reactions. And as usual, I will see you guys in my next video. So yeah, take care everybody, and of course, so long everybody.